How to set up Eufy Homebase. First, connect the Homebase. Connect the Homebase to your router using the included Ethernet cable. Plug in the power adapter. Wait for the LED to turn solid blue. Step 2. Install the Eufy Security app. Download the Eufy Security app, sign in or create a Eufy account. Allow Bluetooth and local network permissions when prompted. Step 3. Add your Homebase. Tap Add Device, select Homebase, and then scan the QR code on the bottom of the Homebase. Then follow the on-screen instructions to pair it with your account. Step 4. Complete the network setup. Wait while the app connects the Homebase. Install any available firmware updates. Once complete, the Homebase will appear as online in the app. Step 5. Add your cameras or sensors. Tap Add Device. Choose your Eufy camera, doorbell, or sensor. Press the sync button on the device when prompted, then wait for the pairing confirmation. Step 6. Configure your security settings. Customize motion detection, recording quality, notification alerts, home, away, and disarmed modes. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.